totally muted. Nice. At least it didn't last an hour. Okay, cool. Nice. So I've been working on just the overall layout, mostly on stream. I think I wanted to do, I think I want to make a simple, like, brick layout for some stuff, but I think let's make, like, a little dumpster. Right? That's what this was supposed to represent. Let's just export this. How's it going, Green? This is democracy. I know, right? I was playing. Oh man, let's see how much of that game I've already played. I've only owned it 2 days. I've only played 20 hours. Or no, it's been longer than 2 days. My days have already blended together. Oh. You played a fair bit too? Nice. That's awesome, yeah. I played yesterday with some friends that were streaming it. And then, like, I streamed it a couple days ago, but, and then I've been playing at night. Like, I have a group of friends I play with at night. And I got most of them to get it. Or I'm like, there's still one that hasn't bought it, but I'm like, come on. We're all playing it. We're all gonna be playing it. Like, it's a game that, it's different than what we've been playing. Like, I don't know. I like it. Like, yeah, they like doing, like, multiplayer games and stuff like that. Like, and I never used to be a big multiplayer person, but for me, it's like, well, for me, it's like, I don't like a multiplayer game where every single match, you know exactly what's gonna happen. The security of the dev team, oh my goodness. I mean, it's a PvE game, so I'm like, what's the, oh no. And it's got, like, like, it has an easy cheat that isn't, like, what's called, where normally, I don't know, I imagine you meant the actual security of making an account. To me, it's like, use fake information then. Dumpster. But no, I mean, my friend, he doesn't like third-person shooters, but I'm like, come on. It's worth it, because it's like, it has some great movement and stuff that makes it above and beyond that. But, like, to me, I like that it reminds me of, like, a game that we had gone into, what, last year? Yeah. Was like the DMZ mode of Call of Duty. And the reason why I loved it was because there's both AI, but also then missions change, even though you're doing the same damn missions, because there's the element of players and the fact that the map kind of rotates where things are, it made it where there was an element, even if it was just a small element, of surprise, where it's like, okay, we don't know how this is going to go down, because for all we know, this time the AI is going to be, you know, like, there's going to be heavier AI presence in this area, whatever. And, like, so that's where, like, this year they came out with, like, zombie modes for that game. And I absolutely don't, like, it was nice for a week, and then to me it wasn't fun. Because it's like, the zombie mode they have, everything's a set piece. Where you know exactly what's going to happen, because, like, you can go from, these are the hard zombies. Now we're in the zone with the easier zombies. And it's like, okay, so there's, like, a less risk factor. But I liked about Helldivers is like, okay, they do have patrols, but then even if you're doing the same mission, you never know how it's kind of end up. Because your team's a factor, your like where they place the AI is a factor, and like the AI itself acts unique enough to trip you up. Also, I love the freaking stratagems. Those are freaking, or stratagen, yeah. Those are freaking amazing. I think that's an awesome concept. But then they also like, so they do a couple choices in that game too. Yeah, exactly. So they do some choices in the game that normally would be very freaking irritating, and it can be irritating, but they 100% did it on purpose. Which is like the manual reloading. Heck, even the stratagen like code being so damn long. For most things, or like on the harder levels, I saw like the automatons can like change what you threw down. Man, so I had been like throwing down mines, and my team kept running into them. So I was just like, okay, I'm gonna stop doing that because you ain't looking where you're going. So I started throwing down the turret, and then the turret kills me and them randomly. Like, and it's like, oh, oops. Don't blame me for that. But yeah, it's really fun. Alright, so I'm just using this as kind of a reference of where it is. Of the size, right? Where did that go? That disappeared. Supposed to go here. There we go. Okay, that's weird. They need to still list it. Like, it lists it here. Okay, that's because it says sub thing there. Okay. Rubber ducky, bye. How much more of it do you plan to model? There's just little, I need to build this building, and then, like, this needs to be an actual building. And then other than that, it's kind of, you know, cleaning stuff up. And then I've been working on, in the background, other stuff, like, I added some random AI movement, that is disabled at the moment. And like I've been working on like the dialogue system, HUD stuff. There's now like you can come and sit here, but I was starting to learn. I was taking some time to look at the like smart object system that they have now. Where you basically can like add a smart object to this, and then you make it where all your AI, like, they'll ask if that, like, they'll do their random, you can either, like, I was looking at the node tree, what is it, node tree or something, where there's like the actual other way to do AI. But you can basically have it in their list of behaviors to try to sit down or, you know, go to the smart object, and they'll check if someone else is already going to it. And like they'll handle a queue automatically. So I was trying to look at that. And then with that, like the AI will be able to come sit down. Yeah, a little bit, right? Like I want it to be where, and then I was gonna assign houses to some of them, so that I could do like a timer, and make it where, you know, like the shopkeep might not be, you know, at a shop, they might be at their house already, where you can't go. or whatever it ends up being. But other than that, yeah, we've been, I don't know. I haven't been getting as much time in as I want to. Freaking, but getting there. I have it at least all planned out, right? Like, for the most part, except for maybe some like set dressing pieces here and there. For what's left of the town, and then like this building, I'm not sure yet. And like I set these up as like the generic building, but I might replace one of, like, you know, if I need to, because I was thinking about what we had, and it was like, at first this was supposed to be like the town hall type thing, but I think I might make it like the town hall / library type of, you know, like museum type of aspect, so that like the player collectibles will go in here, as well, rather than just, you know, random people. And then, yeah, I guess then back here, I just need to get these houses done and slowly get in there. All right. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, like, because I was like, the one thing I do want to have is some type of collectible. So I think it would be cool to do like a museum, but more like a little less Animal Crossing in that they have the, you know, it's huge, and more like it will just be like little displays or something. I don't know. We'll see how it ends up being. Hey. Yeah, I need to get the light back in front. It looks terrible. All right. Where were we? Oh, we were doing the thing. But I think I also then just I just default to modeling or doing stuff on the stream, where this can be a little more entertaining, I think. Because it doesn't take my whole brain to think about it. All right, dumpster. What's a dumpster look like? There's a lid. What's a stylized dumpster look like? I need to pull up your ref. Yeah, I like the idea that those games have where it's like, you see because like the Lego game does it too, right? The Lego games will always have like a room of your, like they either do two things, which is like the level itself becomes a Lego object when you beat it and get like the 10 collectibles, or they'll have their own room where like the little things you collect in them, because the Lego games always have like one thing for finishing, like they'll have some type of collectible that once you get X amount you get to unlock a secret level type thing. And I like that idea of just like having something in world change because you did something, rather than it just being like, oh hey look, in this book it says I collected 10 out of 10 flags, you know, like or let's make it Assassin's Creed, I collected 1,000 out of 1,000 flags of this one type of flag. I remember the first Assassin's Creed, they had it was insane. Because it literally had stuff like that where it was like, oh, you're in this area? That's gonna be, oh, let's see. What? 2 lids. I don't know what that means. Are you collecting lids? Or you mean like a collectible? Oh, 2 lids. The garbage can. The garbage can has 2 lids. Dumpsters have 2 lids. Mine's got 1 lid. Mine here's got 1 lid. Only nice dumpsters have 2 lids, okay? Yeah, no, I got you now. I realized, like, oh, dumpster. No, and then I want to do, like, the little loader on the side, but let's see. I'll be right back. Hold on. I gotta get up for a second. Alright, so now we're gonna put 2 kids inside the dumpster. What should we name them? What the heck? Also, whatever reason, you know, I think I gotta open the restream site again. The freaking bot for this, like, it leaves the channel or something? Like, I don't know what happens. Thankfully, I had the chat up to see it. But it's like, it doesn't know that it needs to be in the thing. Hey, Randy. How's it going? There we go, okay. Alright, I don't know if we can fit 2 kids in here. What if we eat for kids? Isn't that, goats? We'll just put 2 goats in the dumpster. Next to the 2 lids. No, I was gonna... I know what a dumpster looks like. But, like, the better half of me is saying, open a... like, get some images. The reason why is not so much because we don't know what a thing looks like, but because it always helps your brain. You should always have reference. Alright. Let's go. Take the dumpster. We're doing this one. It's got 2 lids. Like some freak dumpster. That dumpster has 2 lids. Oh man. Alright, yeah. We goddamn fancy. We got a fancy dumpster over here. Captain Shush. Captain. You know, they make all sorts of things you can, you know, use to we're just gonna model this terribly. Like, I'm pretty sure that you guys can still hear Captain when he barks. I was gonna say, they make all sorts of things that is supposed to help, like, oh yeah, you know, run this, then you don't get a background noise. Like, he bypasses all that. He don't care. Like, I gotta bark. Alright. How would we do this? I don't want it to look like that. Basically, right? This also doesn't really matter. We're gonna be all the way up here. Also, my God, smooth by angle, please. Bridge. Please. Cool. Hey, there we go. Now it's working. Cool. Mirror. Also, I think that means we gotta shrink this. Because we're fitting a specific area. Alright. Hey, Circa. How's it going? Oh, I meant to reply to you on Discord this morning. I like woke up in the middle of the night, rolled over, saw the notification. So, sounds good. I mean, I was like already. See, I wasn't gonna have it because I was like, oh, I'll just do cameras on game streams, and then I opened OBS and it was already open, and I was like, oops. I was like, I guess that works. No, you're fine. Sounds good. I understand. Oh, God. Yeah. Now you guys can see my poorly dyed hair that lost all of its color. Because the color didn't want to stick to my non-completely bleached hair. It was a light purple. It looked kind of cool for a little bit. I was just looking at it like, and I'm like, oh, it's going. It's totally light. I remember that. It's totally light purple. It looks really cool. No one in chat say anything. No, to me it looks like now it just looks like some crappy dirty blonde 90s haircut. No, I mean, I still like it. It looks cool. Like, I don't mind it. Yeah. By the way, I always forget to do this. If you guys haven't already, how do I even shout people out? Y'all are so good with that. I don't do it either way. Follow Circa. She's amazing. While you drive responsibly. Perfect. That's who I was, I played some games of Helldiver while she streamed yesterday. For the first time learning how to play. Jolie didn't just look at windmills while we were killing bugs. That was like distinctly in my head. Is like we're getting surrounded, and I just hear a, "Ooh, windmill." Ooh, or oh, vending! Look at this vending machine. No, it's perfect. Yeah. No, let's see. Alright, we gotta be like be blue. They recycle here. Yeah, no, it was seriously fun. I didn't mind it. Oh, that's what I was doing. Take an actual flat edge. But yeah, I realized I thought like I'm gonna have to look that up. How to shout someone out. Let's see. What's a dumpster look like? No. We got a local, and then we'll do like a little inset. And maybe do a little spicy. You know what? This is gonna be a little inefficient, but that's too many. Let's do like half that. So maybe like that. Because I gotta think like it's gotta blend in with everything else, and it's gonna be high in the sky. So we gotta do extrude individual, and then will the vending machine have snacks? Oh, I mean, the one in Helldiver had tons of details, so that's all I know. Oh. Why, hello, eldest. How's it going? That doesn't look right. Also, if you guys haven't already, I don't know how to shout out. Oh God, I hit a button. Ah, that's not the right button. Oh, I thought I banned you for a second. Oof. It like pops up and then pops up again. Your postcard is on the way. Also, if you guys can't tell, I actually struggle not to talk with my hands. It's shout out. Okay. Yeah, no, I ain't doing that. That's too much work. No, I'm kidding. No, yeah, I mean, y'all already know, I think. We rated the FinFam channel. Yeah, see, you look at you guys already here. Okay, back to radio. Perfect. Alright, so now we say things about Circa again. No, I know. It was more me and Circa were just having a discussion of how to... Yeah, I'm being yelled at, you know, no. Kidding. I was just trying to do it a second ago, so I was like, maybe I can do it now. And then I was like, nope. The answer was no. Instead, I hit random buttons and almost banned people. My bad. Also, that was too easy. They need to fix that. Too close together. Also, you know, you have a permit to link, even though... That is useless here. Okay, cool. I didn't even know that was a thing in the menu. I just need to not mess with things. I mean, I do start off my streams with, hey guys, let's break some stuff today. And then, you know, normally it's just my own, I just have a mental breakdown, you know? All right, go here, selected objects. All right, there we go. Now we have a dumpster. Not here. Hey. I thought it... How's it going for it? I thought it was the... I forgot that I, like, have the non-animated one on here, too. And I was waiting for it to animate. And I forgot I made that a big Milo. Props dumpster. Yeah. Now my animated one is nothing though. Circa made this like glitch one, and I'm like, I got nothing on that. I should have done something like that. Oh, dang it. Darn it. By the way, if anyone has any questions, what's happening, feel free to ask. I realized I haven't said that. Right? I was like... and she's got a whole animation on like her screen that pops up, but it's really cool, but... I was like, now the the polished one I did is just like, oh. Need some work. Okay. So this is what I was worried about, is because the angle that we're looking at... I guess we can see it from this angle. It might get like aliased, like, so, you know, like jaggy edges. On it, like, that's the big worry, especially like with this building here, is because it's just straight lines. You can kind of see it, and on stream it might smooth out. I want to point at my screen to be like right there, but like the two down, you can see just some flickering, and it's just because it's a perfectly straight line. So we might come in here, and we'll do this. We'll randomize it a little bit. So. Because things are meant to be perfect. There we go. But then also, of course it won't select everything. That's cool. Who would expect it to select? Oh, I guess I could just do that. Duh. It's selecting all the corners anyways. And then let's double it. That adds a little bit of to the edge. Moves it out. Get a little bit less of an issue. Or you know what? Hold on. Need to... It was the first thing listed when I kept typing. We need to apply transform so that this does it correctly. Because it was basically like if the transforms aren't there, it does this like wobbly, or like flat, right? So like because it got scaled up, it wasn't working correctly. All right, so let's go one here, and then we'll just here we go. What's What's the button? Oh my goodness. I done broke it. Fade flat. No, clear sharp. Fade, no. Fade flat. We're just gonna stop messing with it. Okay, cool. That's fine. That's perfect. Cool. We probably could make like a short animation of an opening. It's obviously scope creep. That's good enough. Maybe we'll do like a trash bag on top, or do like do like a we can do this. So now that it's done, come here, apply the mirror, and then let's take this, select it. Also, all the people that are here, like all the other fun streamers, you guys have now been learning game dev for a couple days, you know. I expect you to make a game now. Any day now. Let's go. I need to hear about some crazy projects with insane scope. It's the law. Okay, cool. Let's go here. Let's say we'll just do like a sphere. That we kind of but for real, if anyone is interested in game dev, there's links and stuff all over the place. It's easier than you think. Just do it. This is trash baggy, right? I forgot what a trash bag looks like. We just made a sphere and then we just kind of made it slightly smaller. That's cool. We basically took the thing we had and redid it. No, you know what? I was trying to make another little, but that's all we need. Something like that. Drink. Like something here. Oh, wrong direction. All right, let's select both of those. Where's the? There we go. Oh god. Yeah. Game dev's torture. It's true. Don't say that out loud though. I need them to, you know, the best part of it is, you know, getting other people to join it. And... No, I mean, honestly, I don't know. I think it's more game devs. Also, how's it going? I think it's almost more like we make it torture, right? By trying to do the job of, you know, 100 people as one person. If you're indie, you know what? They're gonna have white trash bags. There we go. Now we got a little bit of variation in there. We got a little trash. Probably should put some trash on the ground. These are some dirty people. No. Perfect. Awesome. I just wanted it to be something different than these bushes that are everywhere. And I was like, that could be something that, especially with how big these buildings are, like do something. Because that can go like over here as well. Let's see. I don't remember what's visible here. Like that works. Maybe right here though. There you go. Now both are visible too. See from a different angle. It does seem a little large. Let's go see. Because it's the side. I mean, I guess dumpsters themselves are pretty damn large. Because I'm trying to think like standing next to mine. Somewhere. Yeah. Right. Oh. That works though. Now I just need to fix this wall. I think I want to model some like a brick texture. Because the wall works, but I want to break it up. Whoop. Sorry about that. Right, like this works for the most part. But like here, it's obviously, I scaled it. So I think a brick texture or something would look nice. And that was something I was thinking about doing. So let's actually do that. Substance designer. Because I might use it for buildings too. Thinking about it, like that could look nice here. Which this we should also, let's export this so that we can start working on that. That would be models, building. Let's go. What was this? City Hall. City Hall. Okay, cool. So, new substance. For anyone that doesn't know, Substance Designer is a way to basically procedurally make textures. Let's call it simple brick. That can be tiled, or you can put it on a model, and basically have it set up where you can bake stuff out on it, but you can also make like smart materials for using Substance Painter, which is used to like paint props and stuff like that. Most games. What's gonna happen in that interesting shaped building? What's so interesting about it? No. No, it's supposed to be like, I was talking about this a little earlier. I was gonna have it be like a city hall type thing where, you know, there'd just be like, you know, this town mayor, blah blah blah. But I also want there to be somewhere to like house your collectibles. I was talking about like how in Lego and like or even in like the museum in Animal Crossing, you get a building, and like the more collectibles and stuff you get, it just builds out the building. So I was like, I think that would be cool to have. It's like, I like that physical representation of your progress rather than just like in a book. That's why I was talking about like you know, Assassin's Creed, you know, you collect 1,000 flags in an area and you get nothing except for a thing that says you collected this many out of this many, right? But yeah, so let's see. Brick. So we're just gonna use simple brick. We don't need anything crazy because we're not using really any shading on anything. Because otherwise we have some nice brick already. Oh, hello, please. Thank you. Do like half this. Oh. 2.2. But yeah, if anyone has any questions about this, let me know. Basically, we take this, which is basically a height map, right? And then we can assign things here. So, like, anything that is black and white, we can technically make a mask out of, because if you think about it, that's either yes or no, right? That's how a lot of, like, texture work in games work. In fact, that's how a lot of, like, tools and things like that work. So let's take... I almost feel like, too, we could, technically, do something like this, where we say, let's put that, right, so like, it's still using that 0 to 1, but now it's using this, which is just 0, 1, and then representing it as a color. So I was thinking, hey, we could do this, but it might almost be helpful too if, like, say, here, let me make an example actually. So that it fits in with the rest of everything I have. Hold still. Let's import that now. And the prompt. Prompt. Sure. Okay. So. Oh, that model was scaled. So it does not look like what it's supposed to. So quad price, that basically just gets rid of all the lines. But if we do this, right? What is this? Is still showing something. Yep. Oh. God dang it. Oh. Absurd. I was like, it shows something. Here we go. So let's make this, what's good building color? We could pick red for the brick. Right, so let's say that red. Sorry about that. I clicked over to mute it. Like, I don't know how bad that was for you guys. I'm so sorry. I clicked over to mute it, and then PureRef doesn't shrink down. Like, you have to move it, so I couldn't do that in time. My bad. Oh, hello. Hi. Version 0.99999. I don't know why. It's not. Gosh darn thing. Sorry, I missed your chat. Hopefully that wasn't too long ago. the restream channel isn't working. And then how's it going, Geo? People be talking over here. Oh, okay. And then, yeah, solo life makes it. For some reason, Argyle, the Mark of Argyle, the last thing I got from you is I didn't even see you say hello. Here. I literally got game dev is torture, and that was it. Otherwise, I'd be responding to stuff. But yeah, solo makes it even worse. Not bad, y'all. I don't get why it does that. Like, for whatever reason, their bot's just like, nah, I'm gonna dip now. Like, doesn't say nothing, doesn't do nothing. That's my one downside of this. Is it like stops? It got it here on the restream chat, but it didn't restream it. Yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, hopefully I'll just keep this one up. Now it's working. That's the weirdest thing. Because I like having it at least, like, even if, because I'd rather it not just be me that can see what I'm talking to. And I like streaming to both YouTube and Twitch just to make it where anyone can access it, because there's people that, you know, don't use Twitch anymore or whatever. But what I was thinking is we could do something like this, right? And we can just do floating geo. Basically, anyone that doesn't know what that means, the name implies it. What it means. It's just geometry that floats, right? Because the nice thing about that is we could then add as much or as little of it that we want. Hey, yeah. Go back over there. There's an ad starting on Twitch in 2 minutes, 3 minutes. There you go. Right? So, like, we could do something like this. I mean, not that it's gonna matter. I'm gonna get back up. I'm gonna get up and BRB when that happens. Just so everyone knows. You know, so like this could be cool because then we can kind of uniquely make it for the building, rather than if we do a texture, we're kind of stuck that way unless we mask it out, and we can kind of almost like this idea better. Let's see though. Well, for me, it's like for anyone that does not know, Twitch makes you run ads. And by that, I mean, you have the option not to run them, but then people get ads when they come to your channel, and they will randomly get an ad. Instead of it being, like, on a set time, which means, like, I could be getting an ad, but you're not getting an ad. Or this person's getting an ad, you know? Which I personally hate, because then it's just like, okay, that means, you know, let's go to the actual model. Like, that means, like, you know, you know, you could be winning a game and half the chat's in an ad, but you don't see that. Rather than if you do their like, you have to make a timer and play them. Like, and I'd set it to be only one, like, ad break an hour, because I normally get up every hour anyways to stretch. But, like, it helps because then it's like, okay, you can delay them 3 times, but so if something important is happening, but then you can also, like, no. And to me, it kind of sucks because, like, I mean, most people understand now, like, that we're kind of forced to, because it's like, I personally, like, I only have, you know, I average like 8 viewers, right? That's gonna make me like a penny every stream, right? Like, that does nothing for me. Not that it would matter either way, but it's like, no, I don't need to run them. Come on, you ain't making no money. Twitch, like, but it just makes it ridiculous. But either way, I gotta get up. I gotta stretch. I gotta take some morning meds and stuff. So I'll be a minute. Only in a few hundred years I'll be able to return. Right? All right. God, where's OBS? Now I can't even leave. All right, there we go. Thank you guys for that. Sorry about the break. I had to get up anyways. Yeah, right, sir. I mean, I miss the days of like at least having a Prime membership would get you no ads. Like I know they have Turbo now. Thank you. And like that's kind of worth it for people if they watch enough streamers. But like, I'm not gonna be a shill for Twitch. Like, you know. But yeah, so I think It was something I've been thinking about. I think so now that I've been trying to stream more, I think I'm gonna be trying to stream earlier, like right now, whatever, or earlier for me. You know, depending on your guys' time zone. Because I'm back. I'm Matt. Nailed it. All right. I'm just laughing at how dumb that was. All right. Let's scale that correctly. No, what I was trying to say was, so like an issue for me is I normally try to stream at like so like 2 hours from now. But my issue is like right now I just had to take my morning meds. For anyone that doesn't know, I had a transplant 7 years ago as of the 17th of this month. So I'm also, but like, so what happens is like by 2, I'm too exhausted to stream because like my blood pressure meds kicked in too harsh because I didn't eat enough or something. Or like I'll have energy to stream, but then I only stream for like 2 hours. Where like I have energy in the morning and then I have energy like normally like later at night. What? Enhance. Happy stealing organs from your sister anniversary. High five. At first, I only saw the second part, and I was about to be like, "Sorry, you're about to be banned. We don't talk like that here." But I read the plants, and I was like, "Wait a minute, okay." No, what's it called? Yeah, no, I'm excited. But sorry, I already lost my brain. But yeah, so it's like I think I'm gonna try to stream earlier, and it might be more successful. But as in more successful for me actually streaming, not in any other way. Okay, cool. There we go. So let's go back here. Re-import this. Nope. What now? Oh. See, just saying that sentence, there's two drastically different interpretations to that could... We say we don't tolerate bigotry and transphobes. Unless you mean the opposite, in which... trying to out... butt spot each other. No, oh man, yeah, we just can't read. We're like, all right, what? It's one of those like, what is it? You know, it's like two spies just sitting at a bench, like trying to. Did you say the code phrase? Are you you cool? You God damn it. And then you're getting me with that. Okay. Oh, that's what happened. There we go. Okay. Where is this pop-up? Unreal. Oh, God. Import. That's not correct. Okay. Quads to tries. What was this gonna look like now? That's the question. Got a door. We got bricks. I don't know. No, let's see. So door. That's a door. Oh, can you move? What is happening? How did I break this? I broke it. Oops. Oh, oops. I got it now. I had another mesh selected already, so I was just... that's not X direction at all. Where the hell did those go? Oh my, I'm not having a good day. There we go. So City Hall, City Hall, City Hall. Hide, hide. Cool. I find it easy to do. Yep. Yep. That's great. I guess I technically started this, so I can't say anything. Not that I need to. All right. So door is like that big. Let's make a door. I have a door frame somewhere. Door frame. I don't know what door frame is. There ain't no, don't even, there's no, I was looking in the mirror. Purple's gone. There ain't no purple. No, it's all blonde. Or wait, no, it's totally purple. I forgot. It looks great. It looks great. Yeah, no, it was supposed to be. I realize I'm loading this up and you can't see it. But other people can, so I'll feel validated. It's not that, like, it's got, like, the lightest hint of it. I need to cut my hair, goddammit. I keep seeing, like, an image, you know, thing of myself, and I'm like, I've got the camera up. No, it was supposed to be like this kind of purple. For you people that can see color. And it's just washed out. Like, so now I just got the blonde. Mostly, like, there's like right here. Still has a little bit of it. But I think I'd have to turn it light, like, have better lighting to see it. Oh, and I just closed switch. Cool. Didn't need my dashboard anyways. Okay. Did you get a... Looks the same? Yeah, so I said it looks perfect. No, I know what you were saying. I wish. I just was saying it SSS, and I was like, I'm not gonna say that out loud. That just not too many S's. All right, let's go here. That's like a door. Wireframe? Oh, wait. How did that work out? I separated this. Selected this. Okay. That was odd. I think I'm just gonna pull this out rather than deal with it. I do wish like Blender's live Boolean stuff worked a little nicer. And I don't mean that it doesn't. I kind of mean like I wish that it automatically had an option here to hide the other object. I can't tell you how many times I've just done that and then been like forgot to hide this to check it. But I've been like, I didn't do nothing. And I realize it's because you can live edit and do all that with it, which is awesome. But it's like, I want a button that just automatically hides it for me because I'm lazy. Thank you. That's not centered. Is this building even centered? This doesn't look like it's even. The top definitely is not even. But what version is this game on? It's not 0.99999999999. Make it off center. Make a little cricket. I was trying to, I told, and I don't have a version number on it right now. But yeah, I know I can. Thanks for the advice though. I was telling Crooked yesterday that Sea of Thieves has done this thing since they launched the beta, and it's been on and off, where the capstan, so where you pull the anchor, has been slightly off center. And they've been doing this for years now, where like the community noticed, they then put in the patch notes, fixed the capstan being off center, kept it off center. But then in their promo images, they'll be like, they'll center it. or move it. So like, if the people are like, yeah, they're gonna finally fix it. Nope. And I'm like, that's just the best joke you could play on your community. I absolutely love it because people freak out. They're like, oh my god, did you see the new season picture? The Captain Center. That crap ain't getting centered. They ain't touching that file. They just sitting back and enjoying. Like, and I whoever at Rare decided, like, nah, let's not center it. Like, props to them. Cause yeah. It's the most ridiculous idea to just be like, yeah. Is it off center? Are you guys sure? Like, let's just gaslight our whole community. Be like, please. So I was thinking we could do pillars like the other building. I wanna almost, let's make this like have some more definition. Oh, what? Oh, oh. Only you're using Blender. No, I can't be one of those Blender people. Dear God. I remember when I first started streaming Blender, and this is why I can't recommend it to other people. Be like, oh yeah, just change over, just stream something, you know? People, no, like, so many Blender people came in just be like, this is the hotcut key. And I'm like, oh man, you're the reason I hate Blender. No, like I learned it off stream because of that. Maya doesn't crash. It just lets you know when you should take a break from working. You know, it's just trying to help you out. No, honestly, that, especially for me, where, I mean, yeah, you get this too. Where that is one thing that I'm happy where, like, a lot of the tools that I used to do in, like, somewhere else, have been, like, integrated into Unreal. So, like, even just the modeling tools, that are in here, and like that's where like I need to actually get back to it, is like I was making like tools for the editor itself, and that's a goal to start again. And I've seen some people do like some Houdini like stuff where you normally, you know, need a full HDA, all that. Like that's where like I mean, we have this tool. This is about it in this project. Woo! We have stuff. We don't have stuff. Look at that. Is it instance? Don't ask. No, I forget if that's the one that uses the instancing or not. Anyways. Nope. We're pausing that. That's easy enough to go back to. But yeah, I've seen, so like that's where it's like I've seen some people move completely over to Houdini, like even for modeling. But for me, it's just such a slow process in my opinion in Houdini itself. That I feel like that's almost impossible for most people. And then like obviously you've been working in Maya for years. Yeah, no, like I've seen tons of people like I've even seen like I remember I was trying it on my other project to like actually fully rig my character in Houdini, which that was pretty fun. It's not terrible, but it's one of those things where it was like if I had the choice, I probably wouldn't do it. Which I did, so I didn't. That makes sense. Oh, it's local still, isn't it? That's why things aren't making sense to me. I'm like, why is this going the opposite way? Okay, cool. And then we're gonna go here. But yeah, there's some people I see that like, there's someone I followed where like they made their whole main character in Houdini, they animated it, all this stuff, and I'm just like, ow, I ain't got that patience to do that kind of modeling in there. So that's what made me want to try rigging in there, which wasn't terrible. Like they have a whole, I forgot what they call it. They're like special game ready stuff, like the toolkit or whatever. It's not game ready necessarily, but the like side effects package thing. They're fancy stuff. All right, dissolve. That's not just it's dissolve-ish. Okay. Gross. And then really we should just be able to be lazy about this. Just smooth flat. Hey, look at that, perfect. But still looks gross. No, that's just, it's not flat, like this shouldn't really care. We should just be able to yeah, there's no way that's flat then. Hey, Ravana, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. Oh god, that looks so bad. What happened here? Why'd this end at a point over here? Point that broke at that, like it should have. No wonder it looks gross. Okay, so this is the top there, and then that, yeah. So this. Because dissolve sucks. Is what happened there. You close this one. What even like? Okay. My bad. We done broke it. Why'd it go so? I'm not gonna question it anymore. Okay. Look at that gross thing we got now. Cool. Let's see if we messed anything up. Besides all of it. We definitely messed all of it up. We just gotta, you know, check out how much all of it. That's not the right building. No, we need to go here. Change that out. Ugh. Main. Oh, right now I just had a thing on it. Okay. Instead of the main. Gradient. That's a little bright. That's a little in the ground. So we can just. What's this? Hey, look, that other one building was hiding fences. Interesting. Also, I feel like we can go this direction that much and shrink that side. I actually gotta be right back to you guys. I'll take like 2 seconds. Sorry, I feel my stomach getting upset there. I needed to eat. All right. Okay. Oh, hey, look. I didn't hear that. I know this is irrelevant, but my eyes are itchy when you're near cats. Good to know. That's not irrelevant at all. Get your eyes itchy. Itch them eyes. Oh, wait, by the way, there's cats in the game now. What the heck is up with this thing? Why? That didn't come across on here, right? That's messed up. Why you break? Why you break? Okay. Cool. Do we need to finish modeling this? Yeah. Oh. I think I want to do something with the make it similar to that other building that we got. We're gonna give it like some pillars or some type of thing on the corner for definition. Formation. Right there. But don't know what it will be made out of yet, but something. Because then, oh, hello. Select all. Oops. I think I have an extra here now. Let's double check. Yes. Although, speaking of painful modeling, that already explains me modeling. I do things inefficiently. That's my motto. Why do this well when we could do it worse? No. I think a lot of the time I just do stuff for speed and then I never go back. I'm just like, yeah, let's get this in there. You know, just really fast. Let's get to that in there. It never returned to it again. So here. Nope. Those two. And then let's start doing what we started all this for, which is duplicate this. I don't remember. Okay, good, I did. I mean, of course I did, obviously. It'd be a rookie mistake to not do that. There we go, and then we can add a little bit of flair in here. That we couldn't really with the texture, at least not so uniquely. I mean, we could, but that'd be more work, but... do the sides as well. We should make this like a clock tower almost, I feel. That could be fun. Let's do like a bell tower? I don't know. Honestly, like this could be lighter as well. And let's please, thank you. There we go. Add to fire department. This though, we will raise up. Oh. Maybe something like that. I don't know. I'll have to actually measure it. We probably shouldn't import the door with the buildings because that's dumb. But it's what I set up, so we have it. Hey, look at that. We are not close. Oh my goodness. Those might be floating a little too far away. I'm pretty sure we might notice those ones. Just a little bit. That right there. Oh, I guess, nope, that doesn't help. Nope, that doesn't help. You suck at arty things. Your 2D drawings look like Drunken Spider had done them. Turns out, though, you can... Nice! So, I used to be able to draw 2D when I was really little. Like, yeah, I think I say 2D on pencil. Paper. When I was little, but then I had a trimmer for... I mean, I still do for the last freaking, like, 20 years. So I never really got into, like, doing really great at... Or, you know, I stopped pursuing that. But I did release my first games were 2D. But, like, I can use Photoshop, you know. Probably not as good now, but... That's just art in general, but... yeah, no, that's awesome. I mean, that's why I love, like, there's definitely some awesome tools out here now. We can actually... We should be able to, like, vertex paint these too. Where we could just barely push it out from the... Come on, select that one. Hey, turtle cat. How goes it? Hopefully all is well. Cool. Oh, yeah. I don't have a fun bot. We'll pretend there was still a hug though. I saw it. Is that part of like, I don't know. I only speak. I'm so sorry. I'll get better. It's just today you taught me how to shout out. It's just a custom command? Oh, I was gonna be like, is it a default on like stream out? Sorry. My body is really weird and like I say that and you guys can't see it on stream. I mean, you can see me back up. 100% my leg is on my desk. Like I just need to stretch and like be like I don't know. I don't know. We're done with it. Monstrosity, yes, please. Yeah, and links are allowed. I both hate it and love it at the same time. That's a very dong nose. You know what it reminds me of? If you guys have seen Doom Patrol, they have a butt monster. And yes, you heard me right. I said they got a butt monster. But I'll take that away now. It reminds me of that. What the? Hello? Yeah, there we go. But yeah, that show also is perfect if you guys haven't seen it. I've always wanted to make a horror game. I have the idea of like, I think it would be great. See, I can't just make a horror game. In my head, you got to make a real horror game. You got to make it terrifying. So, on my list of games that I would love to make someday, I think it would be the perfect VR game. But I think it should be like a, like if you guys have ever seen like the, what is the knock at the end of time, Doctor Who, where it's like you're the last person alive, and there's a knock at the door. You know, it's a horror story in general, you know, space station type stuff. But I think it would be great to do that, but do like some BioShock vibes, and by that I mean be underwater and be like at one of like the underground drilling type thing, and you're the only one there, and something got in, and it has to be VR too, because you know, if I'm gonna make a horror game, I might as well give someone a heart attack. We'll delete the spot so I'm not liable if I kill someone. No. Started off as these things to do from something you read, Terry Pratchett novel, where things evolve near magic. Yeah, that's awesome. I thought there was just a he has a book that is getting obviously we all know Good Omens. or at least hopefully. But there's another book that they're finally bringing to. You can try it. Just put on. No, if I ever give you if I ever say, hey, it's in VR, try this cozy farming simulator. Peter Capaldi, yeah. Hey, thanks for the lurk. I appreciate it. I mean, to me, they're all great doctors. I think it's one of those things where everyone has their favorite doctor. Like mine is always going to be Tenet, I think. On his first run. You can't. There's no lurking here. If you said something in chat, now you have to make a video game. That's how it works here. No. Oh. I expect it. You got 2 weeks. So I didn't mind Jodie's. In that, like, I think she could have been an amazing doctor, and I hope that they do, like, she agrees to come back for one of the, like, anniversaries or something like that. It definitely was the scripts, though. Like, in that, if you looked at what he had written in the past, he had written these open-ended episodes that literally, like, I can't even think of the dude's name, Chipnall. Where it's like you're more of a storyboard. Okay, I expect a storyboard on my desk by the end of the week. Where I don't know. To me, at the end of the day, I'm like I think you can't think too critically of any of them. But I do agree that there was something off about it. Ooh, that's cool. I've always wanted to, like, I've never actually played D&D. In that I don't have nerdy enough runs. Well, I do, but you know what I mean. How do I rotate? I have buttons, please. That'd be awesome. So, like, that's what I was trying to get to, and then my brain, you know, went other places. Clock tower. So, like, I've watched, I'm not caught up at all, but, like, I've watched, oh god, you're gonna distract me with that. I mean, to that I say they all are like that, though, you know what I mean? In a way. Like, but at the same time, I think if she had been a better showrunner under her, and then a different doctor in the cycle, it could have been a different story. But we'll see. Either way, no, what was I saying? Oh, like, I watched, like, Critical Role and stuff like that, obviously. Some of the, like, dropout stuff. They're always fun to watch. But yeah, right? You're like, let me just finish the list of 500 other things I gotta do first. And then I might do it, right? Like... That's fine. You only got a couple things on your to-do list. Come on. You're only, like, physically making earrings. By the way, if you guys don't follow Circle, you should do so. Wait, we can do it now. We'll do it. You told me how. Can I spell shout out? That's the question. Boop. Now down to 47. Bam. She does everything. The list of things she doesn't do is shorter than the list she does. Or at least, you know, I can't count that high. Okay, cool. I don't even think we could see this. Hold on. Before we make this. Oh, we can. Too bad. Gotta do it now. Wait, what? What? Yeah, if you... All right, clocks. How do they work? No, we gotta do like so this will be at least get that done first, and then yeah. How do I explain your chat to people? Ooh, saying the word horny on my stream feels out of place. Just or your degen midnight. You're just all. You wish you were degen. No, I know you were saying. That's just funny that you like to see someone that got you gotta contemplate life. Like, ooh, I thought I was. I guess not. You know what? We're not gonna add this to the. We're not gonna add this here. At least the clock part. Oh god. Can I please? Because I'm gonna make it a blueprint so that we can actually see the clock move. Because otherwise, why do all this work? Come on now. All right, and then windows are a thing. This one we might be able to take. I think I have like a lower poly like block out of a window. From the broken building set that I made for the other project. Also, like, even though I went over 18 different things, I'm still thinking of the Terry Pratchett thing. I forgot what movie it was. Or it's like the... I'm pretty sure. What was it getting... Or what book was it? Oh, like, got approved. Was it Discworld? No. Or the watch. No, sorry, now I'm just trusting Google. This isn't good. It might be for the watch. Yeah, oh, there's already 2 seasons. Never mind, I'm way behind the times. No, it can't be that then. Alright, we're not gonna figure it out. And then have other people in your chat like, oh yeah, that person said stuff for DJ, and then you mention them. Enjoy that ad. People. Oh. Apparently, ad started. My bad. But everyone, we have 3 minutes to do something amazing. Well, someone on Twitch misses it. What should we do? That probably. I mean, that's why it was like. That's what I even hate. It's like when the ad's going, some people don't get it still. I mean, for someone's got an ad somewhere. Window. There we go. Okay, maybe this had more detail than I thought. We just kind of... Yeah, whatever. That's easy, you know. I'm just going to model it over again. Yep, that's my day. I either muted it just in time or half a second too late. My bad if it was too late. Because I 100% did not move the mic this time. Yeah. Okay, yeah, let's do like a little... We'll just start out with the plane. Oh, come on, rotate. Y90. That's not Y. Didn't hear anything. Because professional streamer right here. Or you're deaf. Hopefully not. Why am I starting with a box? What in my head was I doing? I think I was gonna do the... Okay. What? Can I play? Oh, you hit the wrong button. I was trying to think what's the best way to even do this then. I guess, okay, hold on. So I was doing that because if I copy the other type of design, this one will be above the other. And then the sides. This is a terrible way to do this. Sides would just be like this. Okay, cool. Well, no. This way, this way, this way. Cool. God dang it. Gosh darn it. and we'll fix the edges at the end. Cool. Is this the worst way to model anything? Yes. This is gross. Did it get done? Yep, that's all that matters. End of the day. Who cares? Are they? Nope. There. Boop. Boop. That. I think I gotta. I think the top needs to be fixed a little bit somehow. I don't know. Maybe this goes. This. No. I think it just will make it go less far out overall. And then boop. Cool. Perfection. And by that, I mean, I don't know how that got done. Okay, cool. Let's unwrap. Just so they're not all on top. And then this will be the window. So this gets its own assignment. Window, sign, this, main. Oh, in the window, we need unwrap. There we go. That has to be even in the center. Might be a little big. See, that's how you know I don't have the same type of chat right there. Alright, cool. I need to do something with the roof. Still, but we got somewhere. Oh, there we go. That was weird. Okay. Two. Oh. Cool. None of the above. Perfect. Assign. Select. Invert. Main. Cool. I just didn't assign anything. That's one reason I like me importing, even if we don't necessarily have to. You know what? I'm pretty sure it's inside out. Just because it helps fix dumb stuff like this. No. Cool. And also this should be, let's go here. There we go. And we got a little bit of depth in there. Slowly getting there, slowly getting there. Hey, ta-da. Window. Okay, so I need some type of guard on the window, because those are huge. Yeah. Okay, and then this is its own thing too, because it doesn't have a material assigned to it. Main. Perfect. Alright, and then I think we're gonna do like a... what I was thinking is maybe we do... like this. Like a little... I don't know what this is called, but my brain just wanted to call it edging. And that can't be correct. I refuse to let that be what it actually is called. Trim? Build it. Sure. No, what is it? What's the little actual design stuff called when it has design? I know when it has like stuff on it, it's called something. I don't know if it's the same name. We should have just extruded this. There. Cool. And then I was thinking this basically gets put to something like that, or whatever the other stuff is set to. And And then the roof should be set as well. So something over here. And because we can see the sides. -90. Whoa. Let's. Sometimes I accidentally make things intentionally a lot harder for myself, like unintentionally harder for myself. I mean, where it's like, why am I modeling this like this? This is so dumb. We could have just did a line, like. So many ways we could have done this better. Where I'm like, what did we... And I think it's because, like, I started it and then I was thinking about what I'm actually doing. And yeah. Where I'm like, this is, oh, man. Oh, my goodness. Oh, and then this is, like... Cool. A little uneven. Like... I think I was gonna do like a different little style, and then I changed my. I mean, it's like how I write sentences everywhere. I changed my mind halfway through writing, and where's this? This apparently isn't aligned either. Okay, cool. And then. I hate it. It's like, oh. We're gonna mirror this for sure this time. I guess we can technically mirror it like that as well, but then it's... And then I think what needs to happen is basically bring this down. Well, you know what? Hold on. Be smart about it. As it does the opposite of what I thought it would do. Cool. buying stuff later, I guess. I could have just made a box. Past me can talk to future me about that one. I don't know what's happening. I had no control over this. Perfect. Hey. Oh, that's why we're having issues too. Blender. The normals were inverted. Okay, cool. Nearly there. We probably want to now lower the building because I did make it higher. It's not bad, actually. We do want to fix the little gaps there. But it works. I think that works. I just need something on the front. And then doing the clock. Which that shouldn't be too crazy to do. Oh, and we should put some bricks on the side. Cool. Progress is the name of the game. Not this game, but you know, game of life. Oh my goodness. So, like, thankfully, I don't get too much of that, at least with Blender. I would say I get that more with Unreal itself. But that's also because of the branch of Unreal I use and stuff. But yeah, I would say the one thing, at least Maya has a pretty decent autosave, but also at the same time, it's like, oh, you use an autosave, guess what? We're gonna corrupt them harder. It's so ridiculous, and I know, like, so at least I know, I know at least the 3ds Max side of things, right? Which was like when they changed like the, what is it, Qt whatever for their UI. Like, Max stopped getting updates and just started getting, you know, because they were working so much on the transitioning the UI over. And once they did, it just was crash shitty. So to me, I'm like, since I bet it's partially that, like their UI stuff. If it's like the same type of stuff Maya's having, where it's like, but it's like, why? Like, you know, they act like they're not a $1 billion corporation. Like, oh. That's insane, though, to me. Like, it shouldn't be that. You've had multiple crashes already today, and it's like... Hopefully all your stuff's all good, though. Can you please, Unreal had added a, like, crash recovery system, and at least the version I'm in, it doesn't work in right now. So I hate it. Or I'm like, I needed that right now. Maybe. Like, for me, I get it where it's like, obviously Maya, they charge so much because they add support and stuff like that, but it's like, bro, if the average user crashes like this, like, I mean, like, for anyone that doesn't know, like, industry, like, the enterprise level of most software, like Photoshop, Maya, all that is worth it because you can hire them or you get X amount of like free updates or free plugins that they will make specifically for you. And like you can request like, fix this please, here's $10,000, right? And it's like, I feel bad for people that are forced to work with it where it's like, they can't even fix it with their public release. Like, you think they're gonna fix it for you? Like, you would expect the public release to at least be somewhat stable. And I get it, like, obviously, it's more like they let you do whatever. So, like, there's certain things that can make it really unstable. But it's like me, I've seen people crash Maya just for looking at it, you know? Like, so it's on a whole nother level. Oh. Those. Last little thing. For anyone that doesn't know, Maya's a 3D modeling tool. Like this one. The fancier. Also, why am I? I'm realizing I'm like editing this manually when really I could just do like an array. So let's do this array so that I don't mess up the height. Again, I don't know what direction's which. Thinking like 4. That way they're evenly spread. And then do can we save some polygons in there? Yeah, 100%. Am I going to care about that? Not right now. That's later me's job. Also, we need to do this at least, actually. Which is, let's make this darker. That way, there's some, you know, variation. We probably can make this overall darker to match this. But I like it. Now we'll just have to do that. I don't like the roof here. I think we'll match the top to the sides. Instead of what I did. I think that what I did doesn't work. Okay. We're getting there, though. So, now we gotta build this place. I think I'm also gonna make that, like, we can make it, like, ginormous. Okay, cool. So this is, all camera exterior. And then we're just gonna feel this, feel this. Just for now. I guess nope, can't seal the floor. The all exterior camera. I guess we should add something. Whoa. And yeah, right now the inside of the buildings are just floating above everything. Because, yeah, we're probably going to move them to a set spot. So I don't have to have individual little, like, zones for them. So we'll probably, like, pick somewhere over here. Or under the map somewhere hidden. Where I can just set them and label them. So, like, that's something I should probably do. Is, like, label this as, like, City Hall. Label the other one, you know. So now we just need to do these buildings. So that's nice. I can't. Hey, we reached it. Hey. No, we didn't update the cameras. So it's sending us to a different camera. So that is. Camera. Hey, Shadow. The weekend. What date? No. I'm doing pretty good. We're just trying to. Where's this? I'm trying to find this variable right now. No, I'm doing pretty good. I think I've been slowly making good progress on this. By the way, I worked on the water some more. Like, we're finishing up this building. I've been doing mainly, like, modeling stuff on stream, lately, but, I mean, I've been streaming lately. That's been nice. But off stream, I've been working on some AI and stuff, getting some overall good progress for this game. I'm excited. I think I should be able to at least, like, I have a goal for this that I'm not saying yet when I want to release it, but yeah, no worries. Thanks for the lurk. I appreciate it. But yeah, I basically want to get a couple more actual features in the game done. And then in a couple months, maybe less, have it ready where I can start sending it out to people. Not like final version, but like there's certain people that I have like Twitch subs and other people where like there's a, you know, I release my projects, they can test it, break it for me. All right, there we go. So it is teleport actor that we're looking for. So teleport actor is going to be City Hall. Also, does that mean the repair shop one just goes in the middle of nowhere? I just realized. Oops. The standard break crew, yeah. Nice. Cool. Awesome. So, I need to set on Now that I have navigation, I need to set that up to navigate. Do like a simple move to. So that we can leave the door and go to wherever the location is. That is something I can add now. But this is C++. Is it? It might not be. Okay, no. It has a C++ base class that I haven't moved everything over in yet. I was gonna be like, I gotta open up Visual Studio. But yeah, let's go like a vector. This will be a walk goal. Oh. And then expose that 3D widget. By the way, if you guys don't know, you can basically expose a vector anytime in Blueprints. And you say show us 3D widget. And now to set this vector, we don't have to set it manually with numbers or anything. It just displays us the actual this, and this is setting it. So we can use this as like a arrow, you know, like a target. Instead of adding another, like what I've seen some people do is they'll add like a component, which you can do because then it's visually always there, not just when the blueprint selected. But I always like using this. So what we'll do is on update location. Where am I teleporting? That's the important bit. That actor location, that actor's player. Okay. And then this, we'll do the, now I forgot what it's called. What did I call it? Part of the player. No. God. I'm trying to hit the scroll wheel. Instead it's being frustrating. Need a nap? Sounds good. Alright, enjoy the nap. Dream of, dream of the things you dream about. I started saying dream about in my head. All I heard is phrasing. Think about what you're about to say. All right. Let's see. What is it called? Request move to location. You know, if I had to think of it, what would I name this thing? I probably would call it request move to location. So, it's almost like I thought about what I was doing when I did it. And then, you know, it's the logical name. Like, what are we trying to do? Oh, and then I'm gonna have to do we did it in here. We'll just copy paste the damn transform inverse. So we get the actual location plus rotation. So that's what matters, right? Is we're not trying to get Because otherwise we just get the if we just get the location, the player won't rotate. Like, say we then rotate that actor in world, it won't get that, and it will go to the wrong spot. Should be something like that. The downside is we're getting the location here for what. So I almost feel like maybe this in itself needs to be a goal for it, like, itself, if that makes sense. So, like, this needs to be the goal when this is the camera. It's switching to, and not when this is the camera it is. So it should be sorry. Nope. Crap. That's doing the other thing. And Visual Studio's opening. So I want to get teleport actor. I just try not to open him and bring in everything that's opening up in it. So we want to get this and get. Is this an actor reference? Okay, it is, but I can just. Okay, so we'll just. Yeah, it's a teleport player. Get walk. Get walk. What? Oh no, I would need a cast to. Ugh. Let's expose it. Come on. Right after I close it. God, I opened my stream window. I hate it because I have kidney failure. I get like they call them moon eyes, but I look like a damn raccoon with no lighting. I'm overly judgmental of myself. Sorry, can't watch my own stream. Yeah, they're. Anyways. Yeah, it's like besides being big. Cool. Close. All right. So we're in the right thing already, right? Teleport. Actor. We just need to. Oh, God. I didn't even touch anything. There we go. Nope. Yeah. Move. Goal. Not hole. Goal. And then that's what is it? vector. F vector. There we go. And would it be then also like I'm trying to think of what it would be, the show 3D cursor. I set it here, but I can set it in the blueprint. Boop. Save. We wait. And we wait. And we wait. And we wait. And we're slowly building here. Come on. Unreal, please. Please, please, please. Ta-da. Close now. Bye-bye. Leave. Get out of my sight. Yes, we can. I like rest in the depressed face. It looks like, oh. I forget that like the camera's on and I'm just like, come on now. Unreal. Let's go. Oh god, I'm moving it twice. Time for some retargeting work. Ooh, nice. You're retargeting all my models for me? No, honestly, retargeting is pretty fun if you do the new IK retargeter. Not too bad. But also awesome. Enjoy the retargeting work. Build, make, go, and rig, and then after that, retargeter between Manny and C44. Yeah. I'm getting myself a kill there. That's awesome. Yeah, no, I like the, yeah, I like the IK rig stuff. It's so awesome. Or at least, in my opinion, compared to the old system. In that it's a lot more straightforward about what it's doing and, like, what is what. What are we doing in here? What did I change? Here we go. In here. Player mover. I was like, what is something we can call did I even make it the right thing? Oh my god, I misspelled it. Also, we made it the wrong vector type. Not that it will matter when we have it in here. But I 100% misspelled it. Good job. Mob goal. Mob goal. Get the mob goal. That's a good mob goal. Oh, wait. Hold on. Open it back up. That mob goal. To editable. Mob goal. Oh, I can't, huh? Shoot. How do I do that? The meta thing for it. UE4, C++. Go in 3D. Vector. Make edit widget. Okay, cool. I should have done that. I should have known I can't. Now I can make your anims for character creator portrait. Yeah, nice. Many times do people use that? I mean, at first when I saw it, I didn't like it, but it also like creates characters that I don't necessarily need all the stuff for. I was like, I was looking for my other game. Also, can we just do F vector? I'm pretty sure you don't need no crazy. That's the correct, right? It's just boop boop. And this is all right. Move goal. But what did I call it in the actual blueprint? Walk goal. Yeah, same thing. Does it have to be in? Why are these ones in that? I don't know now. Now I'm scared. I don't know. Oh, I should boop, boop. Close, close, close. Before this yells at me. Close this. Thing stopped. Cool. That makes sense. There's like 3 hours of video and it gets stuck every time at like 20 minutes. That's finally building. Okay. I just need to move the whole thing over here, to be honest. Instead of having some of it be stuff and others not. Come on. Slowly opening the editor back up. Oh. I need to change the picture. My background. I guess I never look at it. I mean, I do on stream a lot. Alright, cool. So now, either way, this should still work now. That's cool, though. I did see it. Lock goal. Bye-bye. Target. Move goal. Move goal. See, we spelt it correctly the first time. You know how to spell move? Of course we do. We're not insane. Oh, where'd all the stuff go? Oh, there it is. Whew. Let's go like here, and then let's just have the move goal be over here. And then this is why I was saying I want this to be on like one island where we can have it all level. Is so that we can just have one nav volume. Right? And then we'll just separate it by distance. So that the player can't tell, like, oh. The thing's right there, you know? My bad. Do we even have to build paths anymore? I don't even think we do. After I hit it, I say that. Oh. There we go. Alright, so here doesn't have a thing. So this one should do it. Because there's definitely a nav volume. But I feel like we might be spawning right there. Oh. So that could be understandable. And then also whether or not we actually do this. I wonder why it's not working. It's like it's just not being called. I wonder what's happening. My oh my. Oh. And now I can't move. Perfect. Okay. So, what is happening there? We probably need to wait, like add a delay in. So like do this, but do it here, and then oop. Interesting. Because I should be getting... Yeah, we're getting player. Coupon. Right, just in case it's something dumb like that. It shouldn't be. Actor, so... Or no, actors, this one. So it should be... that from that. Oh, you know what? Get root. Hey, we walk now. Nice, cool, awesome, perfect. Well, not perfect, but you know. Okay, cool. Let me take that. I'm already getting this with variables, so no need to do that. This up. Transform. This somewhat works. I think we need to do it like half a second earlier. And then we can also use the call, which was the event. An event or something. This might not be a thing. Yeah, it doesn't have an interface on it, so I can't call the interface. I mean, we can add it. Figure out the timings. Yeah, that. I like this too. So we probably. Oh. So what actually is happening here? No, I think it always would have worked then. So we just do this. We take this enable input. We move it till after the delay. Here. And then move this to here. Like we could call it right before. So that doesn't make sense. Okay. Oh, you know what? It does. It does make sense. Gosh darn it. Over here making sense. Because okay, so this here, because this already is disabling it. We'll call this basically like first, because we already have everything. Doesn't really matter too much. It's just a couple like frames worth of input, you know. But that way, or you know what? It has to be after this, because that's when we move. And then from there, we change the camera. That way, we're already moving by the time the camera comes in. We need this before this. So let's do a little delay. Literally 0.1. Oop. They really want to take over. And then, yeah. Completed player time. Yeah. This is the downside. We need to figure out for that what is happening. So I know here we're not hitting the goal, but because you know what? It's because of this. Now that it's because of that. Wonder why this would not. Why wouldn't this do it? This isn't affecting navigation. Physics. Off. Generate overlap. No. Nav bound, right? Yeah. I didn't change nothing in the other ones. Oh. Nav modifier volume versus bounds. My bad. They're all named similar. Nav bounds. Oh. Nav. Bounds volume. Okay. Now let's try. Oh, that's weird too. Like the okay. Hey. Nice. I love it. I mean, that improves it quite a bit. Now all we need is like an door sound, you know, some like other sounds. Def up on, and then also, let's go modeling tool, miscellaneous, no, where did it get moved to? There is a collision mode. To get I ask is my simple collision mode. And then we just need to shrink that on up. At least for now. Because I can't enter the... Really, I just need to go into... Yeah, we can do... Can I do the comp? Cool. Collision... We can't say, like, complex in here, right? I don't think so. No. Good. Okay. No, I need to actually just go in and actually edit it with the correct name. So like right there, I need it to so right before the transition happens, right here, there needs to be just like half a frame. And then the actual warp zone, like where it goes to as well, I think is something that needs to change a little bit. But that's something I can manually do. I don't know. We'll see. That's cool. Cool. We can't slow the player down. That's what we should do, right? That's what we could do. That fixed the whole spinning there, that little delay. But I think what we should do is do like set the player to like walking mode, you know, like a slow walk type thing. Where I tell it specifically to walk at half speed. So that would be like, I don't even know. Can we get the character? I got. Get player character and walking speed. Speed. Set. Walking. Set. Acceleration. Get. Character. I don't know. I think we just have to actually, we'll send it here. Maybe what we'll do, we already asked request move to. Let's do this. Let's do good set walk. Good font slower. And then we just yep. And then it's done. No, I wish it was that easy, right? Can we just like make a variable and it be done? No, so what we'll do is then in here on walk slower. Oh, that's the thing though, right? So simple move to. Does this re-enable the movement too? I think that would be. It does. I think. Yeah. So I don't even need to make that move again. We can remove that part, which will remove some stuff. But let's have this, right? So let's say if this is true, if or really I should just do this select. No, we'll do if see what's the max walk speed? 300 at the moment. So set walk speed like 150, and I probably should customize that where I actually it's just a float And if it's not 0, type that, you know, it's not the default. But not today. All right. Cool. So from there on here, we need to say set this. Oh god. Oh god. Ah. Goddamn Visual Studio. Come on. 300. And then it needs this. And then I'm gonna go here. We don't ever need to do this. Or we shouldn't need to. If we do, then we failed. Somewhere along the line. That means this can go there. And then we'll change that camera movement too. Make it a little to fit this new style. But we also probably, to be honest, where the heck is it? Okay. Why is it hidden in game? Oh, you know what? Where's the 3D widget now? I'm like, what? Oh, this one's up there, isn't it? Or no? No, what the? What? Oh, did not show at the same time as this? Oh my goodness, it's because of that. There we go. I had modeling mode on still. Because you can still interact, I always forget to exit those half the time because like my brain just like corrects for the, because like with Blender and stuff, right? Like I just correct for the fact that I can't see half the screen. Like I'll forget to move stuff. So if I ever there's stuff just randomly over there and you're like, what the hell, dude? Let me know. All right, cool. So this now should do something. There we go. Cool. That looks better. Yes. Let's go. All right. We can clean it up and polish it, but like until the player movement is actually set up, it's not gonna matter anyways. We need some of this brick on the side here. Is one thing I noticed I need to change. We need to do this clock tower. But that's awesome. I'm excited, honestly. That's not bad. I think we did some pretty good stuff for today. I think I'm gonna we're gonna go raid the FinFam channel. They're doing some community games today. Thank you guys for any of the follows and all the support today. If you haven't already, you can join the Discord with 1D Discord, please. Or follow me these other places to keep up to date on the game and other stuff I'm working on. Anyways, I hope y'all. Oh god, Inception. If you guys haven't already, hit that follow button or subscribe on YouTube. And yeah, see y'all later. Hope y'all have a good rest of your day, evening, whatever. Night. Later.